I am Christiaan De Beukelaer, a senior lecturer in culture and climate at the University of Melbourne in Australia, and currently a Marie Skłodowska-Curie FIAS co-fund fellow at Iméra, the Institut for Advanced Study at Aix-Marseille Université. Initially, I trained as a musicologist at the University of Amsterdam. After completing my BA, I went to Leuven for an MA in Cultural Studies and an advanced MA in International Development Studies. My PhD connected the dots between these fields as I looked at the role of music industries in the development programs of Burkina Faso and Ghana. Through this work, I established myself as an anthropologist of policy. Initially, I worked mostly on cultural policy issues, though about 6 years ago, I decided to apply my methodological approach to a wholly different domain, maritime transport. I am currently working on a multi-year project titled Shipping in the Oceanic Commons, Regulation and Prefiguration, which is funded by the US-based ClimateWorks Foundation. This project explores the tensions between what needs to be done and what can be done to mitigate the environmental impact of maritime transport on the planet. I do so by looking at the climate diplomacy of the Republic of the Marshall Islands at the International Maritime Organization and the potential of wind propulsion to decarbonize the shipping industry. One of the most difficult aspects of this project has been the future. By joining the Necessary Utopias group at Iméra, I hope to find the time and space to think critically about the future we need. If the present is actively aiming to reshape the future, then what is that future? How do we decide which kind of future we want to work towards, and who indeed is the we in this context? The pathway we're currently on is something I would call the new business as usual, as many governments, companies and citizens proclaim their willingness and commitment to urgently act on climate change, but action remains too slow. Another possible pathway would be to focus on building a safe operating space for humanity within which planetary boundaries are respected and social needs are met. Through my work on maritime transport, I aim to clarify what is needed to bridge the gap between those pathways. Hence, the necessary utopia I explore is existential. It is a livable planet where humans and other creatures can live good and worthwhile lives. My multidisciplinary training and wide interests allow me to make connections between ideas and perspectives without being hemmed in by the doxa of any given discipline. That's why Iméra feels like home.